Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and if you love your plants, this 17-piece succulent set from CFH-ALLEZ might be just exactly what you need. The tool I probably use the most is this waterproof mat. It allows me to be messy in my indoor space because I don't have an outdoor space to repot. You can dump out the dirt and repot whatever you need or cut off any dead leaves or anything that you need to get rid of, and the waterproof mat allows it to not seep through and ruin any other surface you're working on. And this kit probably has all of the pickers and pokers that you possibly need to repot or to care for your delicate little plant babies. I love that it all comes in a bag that is really easy to keep all together. So I live in a small space, and having everything all together in one spot in one neat bag is really helpful to me. The bag is really well made. And as you can see, there's all these pockets all on the outside that you can keep all the tools in. And in the inside, there's plenty of room for the bigger items. I love that this bottle has a straw that goes all the way down to the bottom. So you don't have to tip it over when you want to water. You can just squeeze it and it's really easy. You get every little last drop. So if you're looking for a great repotting kit for yourself, or even as a beautiful gift for that plant lover in your life, I highly recommend this kit. And that's my point of view.